Good evening, everyone. Do you know that millions of people younger than you cannot enjoy the abilities you still have today? If you can, consider yourself truly successful. If you read between the ages of 70 and 85 and can still do the things I am about to share today, then you are not just living, you are winning at life in the purest and most powerful way. Many people spend their younger years chasing money, fame, status, and approval. They believe success means big houses, fancy cars, or expensive vacations. But as we age, everything becomes clearer. We discover that true success has nothing to do with price tags or trophies. It has everything to do with our health, our hearts, our connections, and our ability to enjoy each day. So listen carefully, because you may not realize how successful you already are. If you can wake up every morning with energy in your bones, purpose in your heart, and clarity in your mind, then you're far ahead of millions. Purpose is not always about having a career or a business. Purpose at 70, 75, 80, or 85 can be found in simple things. Maybe you enjoy watering your plants. Maybe you feel excited to watch your favorite show. Maybe you look forward to greeting your neighbors. Or maybe you love preparing breakfast exactly the way you like it. These moments are not small. These are pieces of purpose. Without purpose, life feels heavy and empty. But when you rise from bed feeling connected to something, even something small, you are stronger than many younger people who wake up lost. That feeling of direction, no matter how quiet, means your spirit is still alive. If you can move independently, that is a victory worth celebrating. Many people much younger struggle with mobility and depend on others for the most basic tasks. But if you can walk to the kitchen, stretch to reach the top shelf, bend to tie your shoes, or sit down and stand up without assistance, then you are winning more than you know. Mobility gives you freedom. It allows you to experience nature, socialize with others, and take care of yourself. Independence is priceless. Having the ability to move your hands, lift your arms, open a jar, fold laundry, or simply enjoy a walk outside means your body is cooperating. And that cooperation is not luck. It's strength, endurance, and resilience built from decades of living. Your body has carried you through storms, celebrations, heartbreaks, laughter, and change, and it's still moving. If your mind is clear, sharp, and able to remember names, faces, and stories, then you hold one of life's greatest treasures. The mind is like a library filled with chapters of your existence. At your age, you've collected memories of childhood adventures, teenage dreams, family gatherings, love stories, and lessons learned the hard way. You've witnessed the world change in ways younger generations may never understand. And if you can still think clearly, solve problems, recall events, and hold meaningful conversations, then you are truly wealthy. Many younger people today struggle with focus and memory. But if your brain still dances with ideas, if it still knows how to laugh at old jokes and share wisdom, then you are carrying a crown no one else can wear. Intelligence does not fade with age when exercised with curiosity and joy. If you can love and be loved, then you have achieved something money can never buy. Love is the foundation of life. It comes from care, patience, sacrifice, and understanding. If you have people who check on you, call you, visit you, or simply think about you, then your presence matters deeply. Maybe it's your children remembering your birthday. Maybe it's your grandchildren hugging you tightly. Maybe it's your neighbor waving from across the fence, or a friend who still laughs with you about the same stories you've shared for years. Relationships are not measured by how many followers you have online. They are measured by how deeply you are missed when you're not there. If you still have people to love, you are rich beyond words. If you can laugh even after everything you've experienced, then you are stronger than most. Laughter is a sign of a healthy soul. At your age, you've seen difficult things. You've said tearful goodbyes, faced illness, overcame fears, and learned to adapt. Yet here you are, able to smile and laugh. That means you carry resilience inside you. It means your heart still chooses joy, and that choice is a superpower. Many people lose their ability to laugh after facing hardship, but you kept yours. That's not weakness. That's bravery in its purest form. If you can accept yourself, then you have mastered something millions never learn. Acceptance means you understand that life is not about chasing perfection. It means you look at your past mistakes not with regret, but with wisdom. It means you are no longer fighting with time, but walking beside it peacefully. You know your worth comes from experience, not appearance. You have learned that wrinkles are proof of laughter, that scars are proof of survival, and that gray hair is proof of maturity. When you look in the mirror and feel peace, not disappointment, you've achieved one of the greatest victories of life. You see, true success is not loud. It's quiet. It's in the mornings you wake up without fear. It's in the evenings you sleep with gratitude. It's in the simple joys, drinking tea, hearing a bird sing, watching the sunset, or feeling a warm breeze on your face. These moments are invisible to those who rush, chase, and stress. But to you, they are precious. They are life. At 70, 75, 80, or 85, you have earned the right to slow down. You have earned the right to rest without guilt. You have earned the right to say no when something doesn't feel right. You have earned the right to enjoy the taste of food more slowly, to take longer walks, to savor conversation, and to appreciate silence. That is success. Think about everything you have survived. You have lived through years where the world looked different. You saw technology grow, cities expand, families transform, and history rewrite itself. You know parts of the world that younger generations can only learn from books. Your memory holds decades of wisdom, and that wisdom has shaped not only your life, but the lives of others around you. If you are still curious, still learning, still asking questions, you are aging beautifully. Curiosity means your heart is still open. Many people close themselves off with age, believing there is nothing left to discover. But if your curiosity remains alive, you have a young spirit no calendar can measure. If you are still kind, even after being hurt, then you are remarkable. Time can harden people, but if you remain gentle, your soul is extraordinary. Kindness is not weakness. It is courage. Especially at your age, kindness shows you never gave up on humanity. If you are grateful, even for the small things, then you have reached a level of success many never touch. Gratitude turns everything we have into enough. It transforms simple meals into feasts. It transforms normal days into celebrations. And when you live with gratitude, you carry peace in your pocket. Remember, success is not about comparing yourself to someone younger or stronger. Success is about appreciating what you still have, what you can still do, and who you have become through every chapter of life. Many young people fear aging, but aging is not a curse. It is a privilege. Not everyone gets the chance to reach your age. Every wrinkle on your face is a reminder that you've had more time, more memories, and more opportunities to love than many others were given. So, if you're 70 to 85 and can still wake with purpose, move independently, think clearly, love deeply, laugh freely, and accept yourself completely, then you are winning at life. You are proof that age is not the end of success, it is the definition of it. You are a champion of endurance, a survivor of many seasons, a storyteller of history, and a model of strength. Hold your head high. Be proud of the years you've lived and the lessons you've learned. Take care of your body, honor your heart, and never underestimate the power of your presence. You inspire more people than you realize. To the world, you may be older, but to those who love you, you are priceless. And as you continue living each day with gratitude, understand this deeply. The greatest success is not how long your life has been, but how meaningful you make the time you have right now. So keep living, keep loving, and keep smiling, because you are already winning at life, and you always have been.